Here we have a quick unboxing video of a new product we've now got into stock. This is a Mercedes W204. This is your C-Class 4-door saloon, LED rear lights. These also have dynamic indicator. This model suits the facelift model, which runs from 2011 to about 2014. So let's get these unboxed and have a quick look and see what they look like. You can see you'll be ordering mail order. These are always really well packed, so we don't have any damages. Inside the box we've got some resistors, and we've also got some brief fitting instructions as well. The rear light lenses are protected really well with the film. This just stops any scratches during transit. Just get that peeled off. So let's have a quick close up. The build quality is really nice. There's quite a lot of detail in here which might not show up on photographs on our adverts. Everything is plug and play, as you can see, just plugs directly into the loom of the car, and then here's your fixing bolts just to hold it to the body. There's also a new foam gasket. So the kit comes with some resistors. These simply just plug directly into the plugs on the back of the lights. These are just to stop any warning lights, so they just plug in just like that, and then you've got some 3M tape so you can just stick these out the way. Lights are full year marked, MOT compliant and fully road legal. They're finished off in quite a nice dark red. I'm not sure if camera picks this up, but they do look really good. What we're going to do next, we're going to get these illuminated just so we can demonstrate what they look like fitted on a car.